To sign up for an EveryDollar emergency fund, start by going to the EveryDollar website and clicking on the Get Started button. This will take you to a page where you can create an account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and income. This information will help you to create a personalized budget that includes a section for your emergency fund. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that allows you to track your income and expenses and create a plan for saving money. It is based on the envelope system, where you allocate your income into different categories such as housing, food, and entertainment. To set up your emergency fund, go to the budget section of the app and click on the emergency fund category. You can then set a goal for how much you want to save, such as 3 to 6 months of living expenses. EveryDollar will then help you to create a plan for reaching your goal by allocating a certain amount of money each month to your emergency fund. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. It is a good idea to make saving for your emergency fund a priority by treating it as a necessary expense, just like rent or utilities. This will help you to avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-essential expenses and ensure that you have a cushion in case of unexpected events. Overall, signing up for an EveryDollar emergency fund is a straightforward process that can help you to create a safety net and achieve financial stability. By following these steps and making saving a priority, you can reduce financial stress and build a more secure future.